YouTube world? Nick Shepard here of the iAlone Project, and it is yet again time for another unboxing. Recently I purchased a new camera slider so I can get some more epic footy for you guys out there, and then I realized I didn't have a head mount. So, like I usually do, I hopped on Amazon to find the most budget head mount that I could find. But then I did something I don't normally do. I second guessed myself. The original fluid head mount that I was looking at cost around $30 to $40. I went back and I read the reviews, and I've got to be honest, it kind of terrified me and put me in a situation where I didn't want to spend the money to go the 100% budget route like I usually do. So I took one step up and bought one for $60, and that came in today, so we are going to unbox it. But before we get started with that, do not forget that with every single one of my videos that I do release, I will be giving away one of my prints, and the print that we will be giving away today will be one of my favorite shots of the infamous Point Reyes shipwreck. So if you like that print, guys, and you want to win it, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on the bell for notifications, leave your email in the comments down below, and the faster we get this video to 100 likes, the faster I can send it off to one of you guys. So share this video on any one of your social media platforms or all of them. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get into unboxing this bad boy. Spoit! Here we go, guys. The Inorel the Inorel F60 fluid head mount. Now, if you don't know what a fluid head mount is, it is that big, clunky looking thing that sits on top of a tripod. And not the little ones, the bulky ones. So, we've got a box. We open the box. What's in the box? Foam. Warranty card. It comes with a warranty. Well, that's always cool. And we have an instruction manual. Guys, you know what we do with those. And the head. Awkward. So we're gonna put that right back first. And then we have the arm. So first off, I'm not gonna lie, it feels sturdy. It's all metal, at least the arm is. Ooh. And it expands. Didn't know that. Clutch, locks it down. Again, like I said, everything feels like metal, so that's good. Not plastic and junky. And for the bad boy itself, again, there's not much to these things, guys. You're mostly looking for stability and quality, making sure it holds your camera, making sure plastic parts don't break, making sure there's not gear grease all over the place. And foam in the box. So this is it. And again, right out the gate, guys, it feels sturdy. It is either cast steel or cast aluminum. It feels slightly heavy, so I'm going to assume it's cast steel. You have a sliding mount plate. Undo the clutch. Push in your little button. Pretty basic, nothing crazy. And the pivot. Turns to normal. Go ahead and put the control arm on. So, control arm on, feels pretty good in the hand. Again, feels sturdy, guys. Like there's not grease or gear grease anywhere all over the place, etc., etc. You got yourself a nice little bubble level inside there. Again, not much to these things, but this guy feels pretty solid. I'm not mad about it. For 60 bucks, it's definitely, in my opinion, from what I can tell so far, a recommended buy. Let's go ahead and slap this bad boy onto the slide and just see how it really feels. So now that I have this on my slide, guys, kind of a quick heads up of what this is if you've never seen one of these before. But that's basically it. It is a fluid head to where if I'm sliding on my slider, I can pan and tilt and film, etc., etc. I mean, guys, it feels pretty good. Looks like Johnny 5. If you don't know what Johnny 5 is, I'm letting you know how old I am. Anyway, so what do we have? We got the head itself, we got the control arm, we got a sliding mount plate and instructions and an Allen wrench tool. So you can work on it if you need to, I guess. But that's it, nothing crazy in the box. Quick little review, it feels sturdy. If it falls apart or goes to shit, guys, I will let you know. But besides that, that is my unboxing and quick review of the Interel F60 fluid head mount. Go get one if you need one, or even if you don't, you can pick it up and throw it at somebody. It's got some weight to it. Besides that, I'll see you guys next time I decide to, I don't know, get creative. Deuces. I'm like a cat.